So here's your VOC spray. And you can see it says C spray, SP stands for C spray. Ray, this is Ray. And of course, the guns, of course, come out individually. That one comes out. Their swords, like a ball. They don't get all the way. Like a little hole there. You can see it. Please tell me. Come back and see. And in the bottom, he has little wheels. 4 wheels. And you can hands and his feet. An Autobot logo and C-Spray right there again. So good. And there's like a door right there, as you can see. Darn things. What are they even there? Let's take these off for transformation. Want to do it now? Okay. Do it right now. So these things can move. Can see it move, please. And just kind of hard. And we have a hard. And do this. Oh, there you go. And you can see that, your feet. And I'll twist that around. And that way, you want to push it this way. Put that down. And put that down. Heel. And then you want to put your little flipper foot out. See? Flipper foot? You don't have to put that, but I like the flipper foot. And then you'll take that flipper foot out. Take the heel out. Now, you've got his legs. So good. Wait. Good. You have to twist it around to this point. What, does it match? So you want to twist this round to that point. And there you go. And there's like the big heart knee. The knee part. And you got this whole torso part. So we want to put that. Take that. There's one hand. Put that down. That'll flop right there. It can go up. Put that down. And then you want to put this flap down. These 2 flaps have the wheels on. Put those down. First one, take that. Good. You want to put these up too. Same as this one. Good. Next, sorry. And then you want this. About that. A little arm piece right there. You know what I'm talking about. This is basically cool watching. Get to you guys' arms. Yeah, it'll just fit. Come on. Okay, good. And then you got that part. Snap that in. Want to snap these. Yep, and there you got his head. And twist these on this one. And come on. You need to make sure these pop in fairly well. See that? That big torso. That's for transforming. I just want to tell you. I already took on the giant bomb things. And then you want to snap that into place. I can't see the window very well. And to get that square into this square. Oh, and push it in. And then you got the back. You got the whole back staying good. You don't want to twist these four like that. Then you got the C-spray. And then you got the blue glass. Everything. He's a big guy. And of course, you want to forget his weapon guns. These can be swords. If you want to. Go ahead, snap them on. The under. Is that okay? Just to tell you, they're gonna be under. Don't make it under. They're gonna be under, like that. You're gonna buy C-spray. It's gonna be under. Come on. You see? You shoot 3,000 feet up in the air. You can stand up. There you go. We got 3 cameras for 2 weeks. I mean, like 3 in the pose. Let's see, like this pose. And let's take this one. Take the new bullets out. I'm really gonna put it in there. I'm gonna put the bullets in because I can't really. I'm gonna put 1 bullet in. But you can't stand up that way though. If you're gonna stand up that way, then good luck for you. You gotta stand, and I lost it. Try the transformer stand. Transformer. I couldn't. Lost the stand. All the time that square gets. See that square? That square needs to get connected to that. Sometimes it undoes. But as long as these 2 snaps get together, we'll come both sides. We'll spring. Push it together. Like that. Good. And then you got C-spray. Stand them up for you. And you got the jetpack set to it. His heels are pretty bad too. It's like a circle. See it, circle heels. He doesn't transform into like the last movie. He doesn't. There you got. Oops. And there you got C-spray.